Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm outside Tiffany Co, Tiffany and Company in Atlantis. Lots of marine life, primarily fish underground. This used to be the Barbie Boardwalk Adventure area, but now it is Tiffany Co, Tiffany and Company. See these fish swimming through, lots of them in this area. The gills on the side, see the big mouths, and a yellow one passing by close to the glass. See this Atlantean artifact type theme in the center. More fish down below. Ooh, here's what looks to be a stingray or maybe a manta ray. See it coming by, flapping, and the long tail getting closer to the fish on this side, really close to the glass. I'm saying hi for the video, I'm sure. Just swimming by, see the scales up close. See this yellow fish towards the bottom. Different one that's blue as well, smaller ones. There's a white fish and a larger one there. The school is in the center. Lots of different marine life. Looks like some sharks in the background. And a smaller manta ray or stingray flapping in. One towards the center, coming by. See the white underbelly. Pretty cool. Nice to see lots of marine diversity. On this side, a small blue and yellow one towards the bottom. Up here, looks like this guy is just stuck on the end, swimming against the rocks. Coming back down. It's like an oval shaped blue fish. The yellow one coming closer. And there's that stingray or manta ray coming by. Air conditioned down here. Outside it's about 75 degrees. Take a break from the hotter weather. Continuing down the row. This big guy in the center. See some yellow fish near the middle towards the bottom. One coming by on this side. Small yellow fish and some movement here, maybe coral. Another yellow, looks like a bluefish here coming against the rock. Larger ones in the back passing by. Oh, there's one. Big mouths there. Pretty cool. Yellow fin looks like, as we see more. And it looks like a pot towards the back next to the rocks, and yellowfish coming in. Another stingray or manta ray coming by. See it flapping. More fish towards the top. Another one coming by. Get some nice video downstairs underground, and one at the bottom. Not sure what this guy is doing, but just flopping away here on the bottom. One of the bigger fish that I've seen so far. More towards the center, looks like an obelisk. More of the Atlantean imagery. Some statues as well on this side. And this guy still here on the bottom. See the gills moving, see it flapping. Looks like 4 smaller fish toward the front of the bigger fish. We have the final 2 windows, some more of the manta rays or stingrays in the back. See a statue, looks like an ox in the background, several fish around it. Yellow ones swimming in, and more of these silverfish at the top. One really large one in the center. Cool to see. Nice to get the marine life while here in Atlantis Paradise Island in the Bahamas. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.